Hi friends, today I'll show you an easy way to recover permanently deleted files and folders on Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So without wasting time, first go to the search bar at the bottom and type Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store and in the top search bar, type Windows File Recovery. Now from the search results, select the first one that says Windows File Recovery. Click the Get button to download it. Once it's downloaded, open it. If a pop-up appears asking for permission, simply click Yes. Now you'll see something that looks like a command prompt window. Don't worry. To recover your file, you'll only need to use one simple command. Here's how. Type WinFor. Press the spacebar. Now type the drive letter where your file used to be. For example, if the file was on the C drive, type C. Press space again. Now choose the drive where you want to save the recovered file. But here is an important thing to understand. You cannot save it to the same drive where it was deleted from. So if your file was deleted from a C drive, choose another drive like D or a USB drive. Type that drive letter, for example, D. Press space again. Now tell the app what kind of file to look for. Type /n. Press space again. Then type a star followed by the file type you want to recover. For example, for pictures, star.jpg or star.png. For documents, star.pdf or star.docx. So if you're looking for PNG files, you would type star.png. Now you can see how your full command looked. Once you're ready, press enter. Scroll down and it will ask, do you want to continue? Just type Y and press enter. When it finishes, go to the drive you selected to save the recovered files. You'll see a folder named Recovery. Open it. Your deleted files should be there. You may see some extra files too. If you don't need them, feel free to delete them. Let me know in the comments what happened on your side. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.